Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record videos in the YouTube Shorts app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the YouTube app, then go to the Create Shorts at the upload icon in the middle, Create Shorts, and it's going to open up your camera in the shorts section. And to record the video here, you have a few choices. Now you can either tap on the record button and hold. If you want to record short segments, you can start it again. As you can see on the top of the screen, you can see the timeline as it goes. So this is the holding method. You can also just tap on it and it's going to record and keep recording until you stop it. So these two ways can help you if you want to record the short segment, just showing something, then letting it go, and you have a better control over the recording. Or if you want to record longer talk or something, you just start it. You can see when you open the shorts, it's going to record for 15 seconds, but you can switch to 60 seconds shorts if you tap on the 15-second icon. Now, obviously, if you switch to 60 seconds, it doesn't mean that your short must have 60 seconds. You can have a shorter short, which is longer than 15 but shorter than 60.
Button and hold.
Okay, so let's go back. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can record on shorts. If you have more questions and want to learn about other features, check out my playlist about YouTube Shorts. I'm going to explain to you everything. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.